Room 13 is a Gothic horror children's novel written by the acclaimed award-winning children's author Robert Swindells. Published in 1989, it was awarded the Children's Book Award. The novel centers around a group of friends on a school trip who stay in a creepy guest house on Whitby's West Cliff. The novel takes advantage of Whitby's sinister and Gothic ties and weaves a story of suspense that has earned its place as a firm favorite of children wanting the thrill of a little horror and suspense. Once again, Whitby finds itself inextricably connected to a vampiresque encounter. Ellie-may has fallen sick like so many before her can Fliss and her friends save their classmate and future others. The story is based on a real school trip. Plot summary: Fliss Morgan has a nightmare on the night before her school trip to Whitby. Every night Ellie-may Sunderland is drawn to the landing outside the mysterious room 13, which does not seem to exist during the day. Fliss and her friends attempt to unravel the mystery of the room and determine the identity of its sinister inhabitant. Characters: Felicity Fliss Morgan, the main character. Fliss begins observing strange events in the hotel at night and becomes determined to get to the bottom of what is going on. Ellie-may Sunderland, she gets possessed by a vampire while on the trip. Lisa Watmo, Fliss's best friend, a quiet girl. David Trotter, a loudmouthed boy. Gary Bazzard, one of Trott's friends. Mr. Hepworth, a teacher. Mrs. Marriott, a teacher. Saul Hagerlove, an elderly woman who sits in the bus shelter near the children's hotel and is widely believed to be insane. References: